Ever wondered how to get your money back from Spaceship Voyager? You're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the simple steps to withdraw your funds. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, it's important to understand that Spaceship Voyager isn't like a traditional bank account. It's an investment platform designed for long-term growth. So, while you can withdraw your money, it's not as straightforward as clicking a button. Step-by-step guide. Log into your account. Head over to the Spaceship Voyager website or app and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Withdraw page. Once you're logged in, look for the Withdraw or Fund section. It's usually located in the main menu or your account settings. Specify the withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, you can't withdraw more than your available balance. Choose your withdrawal method. Spaceship Voyager typically offers a few withdrawal methods, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Select the one that suits you best. Confirm your details. Double-check all the information you've provided, including your bank account details or PayPal email address. Submit your withdrawal request. Once you've verified everything, submit your withdrawal request. Important considerations. Processing time. Be aware that withdrawals may take a few business days to process. This is due to various factors, including bank processing times and security checks. Minimum withdrawal amount. There might be a minimum withdrawal amount set by Spaceship Voyager. Make sure to check their terms and conditions for the latest information. Tax implications. Be mindful of any tax implications associated with your withdrawal. Consult with a financial advisor to understand your specific situation. FAQs. Can I withdraw my entire balance at once? Yes, you can withdraw your entire balance, but it's important to consider any potential fees or penalties. What happens if I withdraw before a certain period? Early withdrawals may incur fees or impact your investment returns. It's best to consult with a financial advisor to weigh the pros and cons. Is there a fee for withdrawing from Spaceship Voyager? Spaceship Voyager may charge a fee for withdrawals. Check their fee structure for the most accurate information. Withdrawing from Spaceship Voyager is generally a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the nuances and potential implications. By following these steps and considering the important factors, you can successfully withdraw your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.